Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm starting on the subframe crack. Unfortunately, the driver's side subframe is cracked in two places, one by the bolt and one going up kind of along the back of the hump in the trunk. So yeah, I'll show you what that's about, and then I'm going to get that welded, ground down, and move on. So as you can see, I got a nice crack along there. Drop a comment if you've ever dealt with this before, if this is like a typical place to crack. This is my first E46, so this is my first time dealing with it. But as you can see, yeah, there's another crack running up the back. So I'm gonna get that welded up and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, there's the first weld. It's not pretty, but it should do. And now I just got to do the one up the back, and I'll just paint over it for now and decide whether I'm going to do reinforcement plates now or down the road, because there's still quite a bit of work to do to the car, so I'm not in too big of a rush. I can drop the rear end in 20 minutes, so that's not a big deal. Alright, let's get back to it. this is what we got done underneath. I got all the little spots primered over. I got a little more to do down here, and I'm also going to do the rear trailing arm mount up there, and that's that. So quick and easy repair. There's nothing to it, but I am worried that it's still gonna need a little more strength added to it. So for now I'm gonna leave it, but more than likely I will end up getting some reinforcement plates. But like I said, I don't really drive the car too much, so for now it's okay. But that's it for the subframe repair. We'll get a little bit more of this sandblasting cleaned up, and I'll start on that wheel well and I'll show you what I'm doing there. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, comment if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.